Okay, this is going to be a quick review of the DCF 894 1/2 inch brushless 3-speed impact gun by DEWALT. And I'm going to be testing this on my C5 Corvette that I have up on my left in my garage. And I have not had the wheels off this car since I've owned it, so it should be a good project to test this on. And we'll see how it works. I got a 3/4 inch socket on the end of there, which doesn't come with the drill, by the way. Only the gun, doesn't come with any sockets. Also has a high, medium, and low. I'm going to put it on high for the test, and we'll see how this works. Alright, we're at the back wheel of the car right now, and I've got the included 5 amp hour battery hooked up to it and a 3/4 socket. We're going to see how this how easy this back lug nut comes off the wheel here. Let's get that in reverse. That came right off. Let's go ahead and put that back on. We'll try another one. Put that in forward. Alright, let's do another guy over here. Yes, it comes off almost immediately. This is quite nice. And that isn't high on the torque, so let's put it on low to see if it makes any difference as far as how fast it comes off. Not much. And these are all coming out quite easily. And of course I will retorque those, but yeah, that's a very good job, and I'm very happy with it. Hope this review is helpful.